in the field now.
On our way out to the 50 acres that we're going to sell, just saw a flock of turkey come out right before. Thought I'd get a glimpse of it. Hey, this is Matt Gallimore. I'm with Bowie D. Hart. Going to talk to you about an auction we're getting ready to do. It's all wooded land. It's 50.98 acres. And we are in Floyd County, Virginia off of Smith Walker Road. That auction is going to be on May 9th at 4 p.m. So on the way in here, we saw a flock of turkey. Yesterday it was in the 70s and it was snowing just a few minutes ago. So pretty neat weather we have out here. This is an all wooded tract. We're going to take you a tour on the in the truck bed here. But anyway, check it out. Give Bowie D. Hart a call if you want to come up here and look at it. It's 276-952-5061. I believe we're going to do a little road work here in the next couple of days.
Yeah, we'll be graveling the road probably tomorrow.
We're going to gravel the road tomorrow, so we're going to show you some pretty property up here. We're in the Wills Ridge section of Floyd County, so it's all wooded, but there's some really, if you cleared off a couple building spots up here, you would have some views. I mean, it's really something when we go up through there. So we're gonna try that out. And Daryl, our commercial driver license, is going to drive us today. So thank you, Daryl, and let's go on. Let's crank her up and get going.
I'll tell you what, this wooded land.
Go ahead. I got her rolling. So I'm going to try to hold this camera as steady as I can. But again, it's 50.98 acres, all wooded land. This would be a great recreational tract, folks. Or you could, build you a home up here, be secluded and away from everyone. But you could get to the town of Floyd in about 10 minutes, get to Christiansburg in 30 or 40 minutes. Oh, that bump hit me in the gut. I thought he had his commercial driver's license.
Too.
Yeah.
The gas is on the right.
Your gas is on the right. Yeah.
Trying to take it easy on you.
Yeah. So you can check the maps out in the bidder pack, and then the interactive map. We're going to mark the roads on how to get up here. He's gonna hit this bump here. All right, so we're taking a trail around the property. Starting to snow again. All right, so the property is to the left of the road. Then it's going to level out up here, isn't it?
It's flat all up through here.
Yeah.
We got a driveway cleared in a little on the building site, maybe up here. It is picking up snow.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully see some deer or turkey run out.
Two of them on the back of the truck.
Yeah.
They're probably froze to death.
Two. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty. It lays nice up through here. You just go as far as you can up this way.
This tree down my blade up there.
Is it?
It's not really big, but yeah, that might be as far as you want to go.
All right. Standing on the trail. Tell us about it, Bowie.
Yeah, they've cut in a trail here off the main road. Property's going to be on both sides of the trail. Walks all the way across the property. Got a view of the buffalo opened up.
Pretty. And the video's not going to do it justice. You got to get up here and look at it. But this is a trail that kind of cuts off the main trail coming up to the property. Continues out through there.
About splits the property in half.
Mm-hmm. All right, folks, go check it out. VAauctionPro.com, 50 acres in Floyd County, Virginia. Up on Wills Ridge off of Smith Walker Road. VAauctionPro.com. You can call Bowie D. Hart 276-952-5061.